Alright, so this is an unboxing of my first ever incubator. Go ahead and open it. Take the box. There we go. This is what it is. Yeah, put it back. That's where the babies is going to go. So yeah, we have absolutely no idea what we're doing. What? You know, it can't hurt to figure it out. Right. There's a whole bunch of instructions. So we're gonna put this together and see what we can see. And I'll be back. Okay, so we got it set up. It's heating up right now. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's 36.0 right now. But yeah, it's fingers crossed, because it would be really nice to have my own chickens as opposed to like trying to buy some from the store before everybody else does. The cool thing is these are going to be a crossbreed between the Barred Rock and Rhode Island Reds. So we'll see what comes out of those little babies, if we get them at all. We've got 9 eggs in there. And yep. I'll let you know in a couple of weeks, let you know what's going on. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
So what are you doing?
What is it, Mama?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay. So we are, looks like we're at the max optimum temperature, 38 degrees. Don't jiggle the table, buddy. I know you can't see it. Don't worry about it. But we are waiting, and we now have 21 days. I marked it on the calendar, so everything that needs to be done. I'm excited. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. If just one egg hatches, I think I'm going to freak out, and you guys are gonna have to live with me squealing. I don't care. But yeah, we're excited. So I'll keep you posted.